Alright guys, so I wanted to show you our grill. So this is by the brand Char-Broil, and then you can see the little temperature right here. This is the little top part to it, and then you have like your sides and then all your knobs right here, and then just another portion right here to place anything that you need to put right there. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. There was a little rack at the top right here, but we just had that removed. And then you have your little burners on the inside. So there's one right there, and then another right here, right there, and right there. So it does work really well. We usually use this for like whenever we're making carne asada or whenever we're making burgers and stuff. It works really great. Obviously you're just gonna need like your little tools to just clean everything up, but it does clean up really easily too. But yeah, it's also really helpful also when you are making vegetables for this little rack right here. So I highly recommend that if you are making meats down here, keep that rack up on top and then just clean and just cook all the veggies up on top, because I don't know, I just feel like it's a lot better right there rather than doing it on like a half portion part. But it works really great. It is big in size. The knobs work really great too. We did have another grill, which is down there, that just was absolutely not working well, but I highly recommend this one. This one works great. This brand is really good in particular.